and like literally where to go and what to do, because I didn't know much about Los Angeles when I moved here. And my goal with the vlog is to show the places I eat, the places I go, maybe give some inspiration on things to do on your weekends, and hopefully get recommendations from you all too on what I should be checking out and doing. So I'm gonna take you along, and I hope you like it.